Both the young and old together, for the Lord.